A strong system causing damage in Oregon could make an impact right here later this week. Winds nearly 100 miles an hour, snapping down trees and power lines, leaving debris all over the road. And many were blocked by the trees or standing water. A fire crew helping to clear the debris ended up with a tree on its truck while it worked. Just a couple miles away, water on the road was more than a foot tall. Some drivers made it through, but travel in water that high not recommended. And look at that video. Once again, this is in the Northwest in Oregon. Will it be making it here? Will it be making its way here, Brett?
Yeah, that storm's going to drag a cold front into Kansas City on Thanksgiving Day. We're not going to have 100-mile-an-hour winds. We probably won't have a whole lot of rain with it, but still it'll have an impact on our holiday. Right now, we're looking at the surface map for this afternoon up in the Pacific Northwest, and more rain and snow is forecast into the Bitterroots of Idaho, and eventually that moves again toward us later on this week. As for today, we've got high pressure sliding across the area. Lots of sunshine for us today. That high will move through the area tonight, so we'll see a chilly overnight with temperatures around 40 degrees. Tomorrow, as the high settles over the boot heel, we'll have southwesterly winds, sunshine, and temperatures near 70 degrees. And then here comes the cold front Thursday morning, increasing clouds with some Pacific moisture creeping in. And these two forces hook up, and Thursday during the day, there is a chance for rain. Right now, a 40% chance, and it looks like it'll be out of here in time for the plaza lighting. Currently, clear skies, 41 degrees, west-northwest winds at 7 miles an hour, rising barometric pressure. High temperature today, 62, 70 tomorrow, 68 Thursday with that 40% chance of rain. Friday, 50 degrees. Monday, down to 39. And did you guys see it last night? Gary Lezak released the 41 Action Weather Team's winter forecast, and we're going with near to above average temperatures, below average rain and snow, meaning the drought will continue. And we may have an ice storm. We're kind of overdue for that. We haven't had any kind of icing event in the last couple of years, and we're still trying to work on the cycle as it develops this winter. But anyway, it looks like 10 to 20 inches of snow expected. That's more than last year. And maybe around Kansas City, about 14 inches of snow, with at least one snowstorm that would have about 5 inches of snow.
And you know, those squirrels may be onto something, because you said, you know, when you came up with your acorn theory and watching Gary's winter forecast.
They're aligning.
Yeah.
Yeah, the forces are all aligning. Nature and science.
Yeah. And we remind the viewers out there, too, how many inches of snow did we get last year?
3.9. It was the record lowest amount in Kansas City history.
And so, Gary Lezak's forecast with the weather team is 10 to 20 this year.
Yes, that's for this year. So that's more than last year, but that, you know, that's easy to do considering what we had last year.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you, Brett.